Primates of Madagascar. Madagascar is the fourth largest island in the world. It lies about 400 kilometers off the southeast coast of Africa. Madagascar separated from the mainland more than 100 million years ago, taking along whatever animals were living there at the time. Other animals may have floated to the island on logs. Some of these early animals were primates. Adaptations have resulted in these unusual primates of Madagascar. Ringtailed lemurs. Ringtailed lemurs have long striped tails that they use in a unique way. Lemurs have special glands that produce a very smelly liquid. When two male lemurs want to fight, instead of hurting each other, they smear this sticky, smelly stuff all over their long tails. When one lemur's tail is as smelly as he can make it, he flicks it towards the other male that is also waving his smelly tail back and forth. The male with the stinkier tail wins the fight, and the defeated male slinks away. Crowned lemurs. Another kind of lemur has a distinctive mark on the forehead that looks like a crown. Known as crowned lemurs, they live in Madagascar's stone forest. This unique geological feature was once underwater sedimentary rock. Now it is an expanse of razor-sharp limestone pinnacles. Crowned lemurs have very thick padding on their hands and feet so they can hop from place to place without cutting themselves. Bamboo lemurs. These lemurs eat almost nothing other than bamboo, which has high levels of cyanide, a poison that would kill most other animals. By selecting a food other animals avoid, bamboo lemurs end up with plenty to eat. Aaye. The aaye is perhaps the strangest of these strange primates. It is the largest nocturnal primate with bat-like ears that tune into the slightest sound. Its most distinctive feature is its extra long, bony middle finger, which it uses to tap on tree branches looking for hollow places. When it hears the breach is hollow, it tears away the outer bark with its sharp teeth and uses the same long finger to scoop out insect larvae to eat. Complete this graphic organizer by sorting facts about each lemur. Write down 2 facts for each lemur.